Hey everyone, greetings from Thailand. Great news for those who are planning their trip to Thailand in July 2022. So if you're vaccinated, then you don't have to apply for any special passes like Thailand Pass before you travel. You don't have to make any special hotel bookings, and you don't have to make PCR tests before your flight to Thailand. So the only thing you will be required to show the vaccination certificate upon your arrival to Thailand. You can even use your phone, so you don't really have to print it out. So for unvaccinated travelers, you're required to make a PCR test or a professional ATK test at least 72 hours before your flight. Or if you don't want to make the PCR test before your flight, then you will be tested with an ATK test upon arrival. But it leads you to a risk to test positive and stuck in quarantine for like 10 days here in Thailand. So I advise you to make a PCR test or ATK test before your flight. The other good news is the health insurance is not mandatory anymore, so you don't have to make any health insurance when flying to Thailand. The Thai government, however, recommends to have an insurance in any case, as there are so many things may happen with you here in Thailand, like luggage loss or food poisoning, or if you are going to rent a bike, like a motorbike accident. So in case you're planning your trip and want to be covered when staying in Thailand, you can check the insurance following this link or the link under this video. So it looks like welcome to Thailand. No more Thailand Pass, no more mandatory insurance. If this is your first time visiting Thailand, check my latest video about prices in Thailand. You can find it here. Follow my channel if you want to know more about life in Thailand, and thank you for watching.